Kusemzimkhulu wezokuhatsha Auckland Park la sikhona nanzi ezithujileko.
I don't know that.
You don't know that, or you're not answering that?
Yes, I don't want to answer that question.
Upalile namhlanje umsolwa ngobulelesi obekavele komishaneni kaMadlanga ukuphendula imibuzo malungana nesebenziswano lakhe nengikhulu zamapholisa.
Traditional leaders are very critical in ensuring community discipline, respect, and dignity.
Ikomishini yamakhetho ithi amakhosi aqhakatheke khulu eqinisekiseni bona amakhetho abanjwa ngokuchaphuluka nangaphandle kokuthatha ihlangothi.
SGP ikhuluma nayo the way ikhuluma ngakhona azange ifuna ukuhlangana nomama umntwana inivele yathi makahamba esikoleni ithe makabuya vele ngakusasa principal wamangela lakhe igama wathi ngithi la esikoleni sami akangeni.
Uthome Nzinyana umhlangano wekomiti yeCocta eGauteng wokulungisa indaba yokumbuyisela esikoleni umfundi obeka singomeni ekuthiwa uprincipal bekamvimba. Kizo zonke indawo lapho nilinde khona indaba kweSABC1 kuyalotshisa begodu ngibawa ningamukele akwande. Ibhaji wemzamo yekomishini kaMadlanga yokuhlolisisa izwangobatsho yokusebenzisana kosolwa ngobulelesi uVusimuzi Khet Matlala nengikhulu zamapholisa njengoMajor General Liseja Sinona nesekela likaCommissioner wamapholisa ojanyisiweko emsebenzini uLieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya. Nanyana kunjalo Matlala upalile ukuphendula eminye imibuzo namhlanje.
IBEPDC imizamo yekomishini kaMadlanga yokulinga ukufumana indaba yobudlelwano bomsola wobelelesi uVusimuzi Khet Matlala kunye nemphathimandla zamapholisa eziphezulu uMatlala achiya ngaphandle imininingwana yakhona phezulu kwestatimende sakhe. Lokhu kunjengombana uMatlala abhale ukuphendula bona wahlangana kanjani nesikhulu samaHawks kwaZulu-Natal uMajor General Sinona wathi batsho ukhetha ukusebenzisa ilungelo lakhe lokungafuni ukuzihobela.
That's why I'm choosing the right to remain silent, because the same question. So I don't mind you asking about General Sinona, but I will refer to if this is questions which I was not asked by the investigators, it's okay.
Matlala uyeleliswe bona indaba kaSinona ayikasuki ngokupheleleyo kwetafuleni begodu indaba yakhe yokubhala ukuphendula ngaphandle komthetho izokuba nemiphumela. uMatlala ube nemibuzo embalwa kodwa wabuya wadosela emva ngemva kokuthi ikomishini imbuze ngokuthengwa kwendawo ethileko ekhabe bakhuluma ngayo kuWhatsApp banoSinona ekutshengisa bona kwaba nokufumbathisana.
No, I will choose not to answer that question.
Was Tato Sinona going to have some ownership share in the apartment?
I don't know that.
You don't know that, or you're not answering that?
Yes, I don't want to answer that question.
Was General Sinona going to have some ownership or beneficial interest in that apartment?
Still, I do not want to answer that question.
Ukulayelwa kwekomishini kuyaraka.
Ungqongqotjhe wezokusebenzisana kwamazwe ngamazwe uRonald Lamola uthi iinkampani zeSouth Africa ziyaraka nokudlala indima eqhakathekileko emnothweni weBrazil. Lokho njengoba nawo Lamola kade ahlangene nongqongqotjhe wendaba zamazwe wangaphandle weBrazil uMauro Vieira ePitori emhlanganweni wamazwe amabili la wekomishini ehlanganyelweko.
LAfrika ikholwa bona ingaba nobudlelwano obuhle bokusebenzisana nelizwe leBrazil ukwakha ukulingana idemocracy kunye nephasi elilinganako. Amazwe amabili la aqinisekise ukunabisa ukuhwebelana phakathi kwawo. Womabili nje amazwe la adlala indima eqhakathekileko ekubeni badosi phambili khulukhulu enhlanganweni eziqhakathekileko ezingaphakathi kwamazwe weBRICS, ihlangano yentsha bezibumbeneko iUnited Nations neG20.
We deeply appreciate Brazil's steadfast support during our tenure at the helm of the G20, as well as your unwavering moral support during this difficult period when our participation has been unilaterally curtailed by the current presidency of the G20.
Ibrahim kufuze basebenzisane ukuvikela amahlelo okuhwebelana okulandela ukukhutshulwa khulu komthelo wepahla lilizwe leAmerica ekukhinyabeze kumbi amazwe amaningi.
We negotiated a lot with our partner about the taxes, the tariffs that were imposed on Brazil. They are not legal because all the reasons raised are not real.
Amazwe la kulindeleke bona abambe amakhetho wendawo nonyaka nje ngethemba lokuqinisa imigomo yentando yeningi.
It's not a process to go to elections and that democracy should prevail, free and fair. Similar to South Africa, we are also looking forward to free, fair and credible local government elections.
Africa inikelwe isikhundla sosihlalo ngaphakathi kwamazwe weSADC. Ulamula uzwakalise lokhu nakaphendula ngobujamo beZambia okulandela ukukhethwa ngobutsha kwakamengameli welizwenela uHakainde Hichilema.
We are continuing to monitor and we are looking forward to a report through the SADC observer mission on the elections and also through our mechanisms of the organ troika with regards to the processes and the situation in the elections in Zambia.
Ikomiti yomnyango wezombuso ohlanganyela nendaba zamakhosi iCOGTA eGauteng ivakatshele isikolo samabanga phezulu iCosmos City Secondary School ehlagwini yeJohannesburg ukulandela izwangobatsho ukuthi uprincipal wesikolo esiwavimba umfundi kaGrade 9 bona angasabuyele esikolweni ngemva kokuthi batsho umfundi lo akhambe inyanga ezine ayokwela engomeni yamaNdebele kwaDlawulale. Iveziwe incwadi yenkosini etlikitliweko leyo principal yathe uthoma nokuyibona. Uprincipal abekabekwe phambili bona azokuhlathululela ikomiti ukuthi kwenzekeni. Emhlanganweni loyo bekunebekhabo lomfundi, amakhosi namalunga omphakathi.
Indaba yalomfundi ithome emvekeni ezimbili mhla kuzwakala bona uprincipal wesikolo walele umfundi ukubuyela esikolweni bona ingoma igoduke. Sathi bona siwuzwe umkhosi sathumela ababikindaba bethu kwaba nje nabafikako. Nomhlangano wanamhlanje uthome kabuhlungu lokho abogadi besikolo bavimba amakhosi ababikindaba nebomnyango wezombuso hlanganyela eGauteng nabathi bangena emasangweni wesikolo. Amasango avulwe ngemva kokuthi indaba le ingenwe emjaphethe kasihlalo wekomiti. Uprincipal unikelwe ithuba lokuthi ahlathulule ihlangothi lakhe.
There's the school and the principal, we have never said anything because we know we are not on the wrong. I'm going to show you, I work with evidence. I don't work with hearsays or rumors.
Umjameli womndeni uzokalise ukunganeliseki ngendlela umhlangano ukhambe ngakhona.
Lento ayenzile uprincipal ngicela ukuthi nakusasa angasaphinda yenza angathathela amasiko wabantu phansi. Ngiyacela. Kungamkwatisa lokho kumkwatisayo kwakhe or isikolo siyazi ukuthi vele udila nabantwana abaningi but bewe umntwana ahlukumezeke ngakhona bekungamelanga ukuthi ushele zazinto bekazishilo emntwaneni. At least bekungabe ukuthi usho kithi thina abazali waxoxa umntwana washo kithi abazalini ke. Manje ukhulume phambi komntwana ukuthi nilima abantu osebenza emagaraji vele aMandebele akasilutho like ibhlungu like manje umntwana kusasa uzozibona yini uphuma engomeni kusasa uyazibulala umntwana.
Umjaphethe kasihlalo wekomiti uvumile ukuthi kuhlogeka kwamahlelo asebenza ukusiza ababelethi nabotitshere ngesikhathi sengoma enkolweni zeGauteng okwenze bona indaba le igcine seyilapha. Ube wahlathulula ngehlangothini labo.
Iskola through teacher omkhulu sithi they will never insult the Ndebele nation and they commit themselves to work with yourselves. I think into ebalulekile kumele siyithathe from kulo mhlangano ukuthi yonke into esinayo nama parents ngisho baningi ama parents bamaNdebele abakhona esikolweni nabo kunendlela kumele bakhulumisane nabo teacher omkhulu ukuthi isiko lamaNdebele liphakame lingabukelwa phansi.
Ikomiti yeCOGTA eGauteng ivumile bona kuzokuvalwa isikhala esikhona phakathi kwabo nomnyango wezefundo ekutheni kulandelwe indlela ezifaneleko ezikhambisana nengoma. Umndeni ulitsho uyaligandelela lokuthi balandele yonke ikambiso efaneleko ngakwelabo ihlangothi bona umntwana abuye engomeni. Kanti ngakelinye ihlangothi no principal awujamile uthi akanamlando yena. Umfundi nje sewubuyela esikolweni. Ikomiti yeCOGTA ithi izokuklama amahlelo azokulandelwa zinkolo nababelethi nakunomntwana ekufuze ayokuphetha isiko.
That's the other issue.
Asiqale umbono wakho mbukele ngendaba ayiphela kule nakumbono wakho ilandele mbukele.
Bekungafanelekanga kakade ukuba ngabe uvalelwe ukuba abuyele esikolweni kwangaphambili. Abenze njalo ngabephula njena amalungelo abantu.
Mkhathi bebanganalo ilungelo nelokuthoma ukuthi bamalele ukuthi abuyele esikolweni. Isikhabo lomuntu akekho umuntu ongaphikisana nomuntu ngekolo yakhe.
Ithokoze umntwana makabuyele esikolweni makungiprincipala yena akajanyiswa athathele amagadango.
Into engizibuza yona ngoprincipal ukuthi ngabe walapha eSouth Africa na ngombana zonke inkolo 9 province bayazi ngamasiko.
Kubalekile kakhulu ukuthi izikole zihloniphe amasiko ezinye izizwe ngoba ezinye zezinto zisuka zibalekile ukuba abantwana babazenze.
Kuyancomeka kakhulu ukuthe kwenziwa isikole ivela amasiko ayafuna ukuba hlonishwe even ngisho nasezikoleni phela ngqo.
Ikambiso yamasiko ayamukeleki ngokupheleleko ngenkolweni mkhathi. Inkolo ziningi isafuna ukufundiswa ngamasiko.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono umbukeli. Chini yamakhethi IECT abaholi bendabuko balima indima enkulu eqinisekiseni bona amakhetho abanjwa ngokukhululeka nangaphandle kokuthatha ihlangothi. Lokho kuza ngemva ukuthi ikomishini yamakhetho le ibambe umhlangano nehlangano yabaholi bendabuko iContralesa namhlanje eKempton Park eGauteng. Abaphathi bekomishini le banikele ngehlelo lamakhetho kufikela mhla amane kuSinyikhaba njengendlela yehlelo elinqophe ukuletha ababelani abahlukahlukeneko kilo msebenzi.
IEC ibawe ukusebenzisana nabaholi bendabuko beSouth Africa ekulungiseleleni amakhetho wabomasipalata ezako.
Traditional leaders are very critical in ensuring community discipline, respect, and dignity, which are all very important for conducting elections.
Isibaweso se-IEC sifikekezwako. Mengameli weContralesa ubawe abaholi bendabuko bona bazibandakanye kibo bonke abonkhethani kungabi nalapha kuthiwa angenwa khona.
We want to make a serious call to all our traditional leadership and our people to say there must be no place where it will be declared as a no-go area for a particular organization. We want to allow organizations to come to our areas.
Nanyana kunjalo umukwena uveze indaba yokuhlayela kokuthembana phakathi kwemiphakathi nabosopolitiki ababaholako what bacho nayo leyo kufanele ibuyekezwe ehlelweni lamakhetho welizweli.
Our people are no more happy. As we have seen from the stats, people are gradually losing confidence in many of the political organizations.
IEC ibawe inhlangano zepolitiki nabonkhethana abazijameleko bona bafake imininingwane yabo ngokupheleleko ehelweni laboNkhethani ngaphambi kobana kubethe amalanga ama-28 kuRhoboyi ngelesihlanu siya kuyelo. Kanti igandelele ukuthi angekhe kwaba namajuguluko azokwenziwa ehelweni le-OCNS ngemva kolanga lokuvala begodu akukazi kuba nomuntu ozokuvunyelwa ukuletha imininingwane leyo ema-ofisini we-IEC.
Ihlangano yepolitiki Build One South Africa iyokungenela amakhetho kibomasipalati abama-24 emfundeni ezihlanu. Kutsho umholi wehlangano le uDr Mmusi Maimane nabekakhuluma nembikindaba ngaphambi kokwethula kwehlelo lokuzibawela amavoti lehlangano le iveke ezako. uMaimane uthi iBOSA izokwenza konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ithumba amakhetho ekufaka hlangana ukukhetha abantu abanamakhono ofundwa afaneleko emphakathini ngokuhlukahlukana kwayo abazokujamela ihlangano le emakhethweni wendawo.
Abomasipalata kufanele balawulwe ngendlela efaneleko ingasi ngepolitiki. La magama achiwa umholi weBOSA uDr Mmusi Maimane kanjengoba nakusela amalanga ama-70 ngaphambi kwamakhetho ihlangano le yenza amalungiselelo wokugcina wamakhetho. uMaimane uhlathulula amakhetho azako la njengesikhathi samajuguluko orhulumende nakubomasipalata.
As Build One South Africa, we are building that alternative. We are that alternative that will bring the fourth leg to local government in order to hold it steadily.
Ihlangano le izabe ingenela amakhetho wabohulumende bendawo kokuthoma umnyaka lo. Yasungulwa ngoKhukhulamungu ngo-2022 kanti ngemva kokungenela amakhetho welizwe lonke ngo-2024 yathola inhlalo embili eParliament. Njenganje izokuzibawela amavoti kibomasipalati abama-24 emfundeni ezihlanu ekuyi-Gauteng, iTlhagwini Kapa, iLimpopo, iTlhagwini Tjingalanga kunye neFree State. uMaimane uyiphayile batsho yokuthi ihlangano le ihlangano encane.
People say, hey, BOSA, you are small. I say, no, we are new. There's a difference. New means you are the future. You are the new alternative.
Ungezelela nangokuthi ihlangano le izikhakhazisa ngokuthi ayisenzi izinto ngendlela ejayelekileko begodu isebenzisa indlela eziqinisekisa ukubekelwa phambili kwabantu.
We don't have, if you like, comradeship that says, well, you've been at BOSA for the last number of years, and therefore you must be candidate or mayoral candidate for here. We say to the community, nominate the best, give us credible, give us competence, so that we can work with them, so that they can end up in the municipality.
iBOSA ihlolo kwethula ihlelo layo lokuzibawela amavoti ngeveke ezako ngelesine. Kanti nakusesenjalo inhlangano zepolitiki zibekelwe bekube ngelesihlanu ivekele ukuthi iziqede bezinikele i-IEC amahelo aboNkhethani bamakhetho azakwabo urhulumende bendawo.
Nasibuya entolo.
Both, all of the three centers, they did not get their full salary, of which the company went, because if you can look at the system that they're using, the closing of hours, it was on the 7th of August.
Sekuzimveke ezimbili abasebenzi bekoroni yezethukela bachakala bafuna ukukhutshulela umholo nge-13% eMpumalanga. Umqhaji yena uthi akaphumeleli. Siyakwamukela mbukelezi sekhona indaba nazikuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asikhambe nazo. Abasebenzi be-RCL Foods Sugar Mill eMalelane eMpumalanga bathi angekhe babuyele emsebenzini bekubeka umhlaba abaqhashi babeka into ebonakalayo etafuleni. Abasebenzi bafuna ukukhutshulela umholo nge-13% kodwa nangemva kwemkhulumiswano eminingi abaqhashi bathi bangakhona ukubakhuphulela nge-5.4%. Kanti sekuyiveke yesibili abasebenzi bangale umsebenzi. Lokhu ke kuzokuba nomthelela omumbi engikhampanini ezisekorweni yethukela.
Basebenzi bathi babuyele emsebenzini bazokuraga nokuchaga nanyana bangakahula umholo wabo ngokupheleleko inyanga le.
The step that the employer has took to maybe do that deduction was a way to frustrate the employees to think of a second step, maybe to go back to work or even to disband the strike that we are in.
Centers Phongole as well, Malelane as well as Komat, but both all of the three centers, they did not get their full salary.
abasebenzi bathi umhlangano wokugcina ababambeli abaqatshi akhange uphume nesisombululo.
There's about 15 sugar industry, 15 companies that are affected by the strike. Roughly about 5,000 employees that are affected by the strike. On the 21 of August, we were invited by the employer, and it was clear that the employer's position remains unchanged. The only thing that has changed is that the 0.6 is going to be paid on December.
RCL Foods yithi umchakalo oragako lo beka ikoro echukela ngaphasi kwegandeleleko elikhulu.
While sales volumes between April and July declined by approximately 35% compared to the same period in 2023-2024, before imports began increasing significantly. Millers remain committed to finding a sustainable solution that balances fair increases for employees.
RCL Foods ithi abajameli babasebenzi bangeza godu bazokhulumisana nabo iminyango ivuliwe.
Kezemali ranta lehlile nalinganisa nezinye imali ezikulu. Nangobusayi nobujamo bezulu ngemva kwakhe zindaba zesizulu ngesimbi yekhomba kusasa ngezeswati umusa.
Asikulotshise ekhaya ngelesithathu siqalele ukuthi anjani ke amathuba wezulu atholakala lapha endaweni zangemthatha ukuchinga lapha eRichards Bay nalapha endaweni zangembombela nge30% kuthi ke phakathi nenarha yeSouth Africa endaweni eziningi ligubuzese ngamafu kubo Fred Ndal sibona ke khona awalivulile. Nasithi siyoqala ukuthi kusasa kwenzakalani amathuba wezulu nge30% godu endaweni zangale ngeKZN, Durban, Richards Bay nangale ke embombela esifundeni sangeMpumalanga. Ngokuhloko namhlanje sisithole lapha ke isilemukiso esinga ngale ngeCape Town ukuthi kuzabe kunomoya. Asiyoqala ukuthi kusasa ngangisiphi godu esinye isilemukiso esisithola kusibona lapha umoya osuka ngale ngeKZN uchinge lapha endaweni zangale ngeMpumalanga Kapa kanti ke kungenzeka kube nomlilo wamahlathi ngale endaweni zangeUppington abantu ke bacheche kilezo ndawo. Siqalela lapha ke amazinga okushisa ngesifundeni sangeGauteng lipholile ngemva kwamadina eJohannesburg nge21 Springs nge21 nakhona ePitori silibona nge22 siyalapha ke esifundeni sangeLimpopo. Kusasa kubonakala ke ekseni umoya umakhazana kodwa nangokuhamba kwesikhathi iMusina 25 eZanini 22 Polokwane 20 lipholile nakhona sifunda sangale ngeMpumalanga lesi sipholile sonke isifunda ngemva kwamadina kanti ke Mbombela pheze imini yonke kumakhaza nge19 nje kwaphela ngemva kwamadina. Lapha eKZN sibona kufuthumele endaweni eziningi ngeGwini kulapho kuphole khona nge23 eDurban neRichards Bay neVryheid phakathi nesifunda ngale ke ngeMpumalanga Kapa kuyachisa endaweni eziningi lapha ke eRobert Sobukwe nge31 kuthi ke lapha eGukompo kufuthumele nge24 iJingalanga Kapa ke leya ke futhumele ngale ngeCape Town nge24 Mossel Bay ifuthumele nge27 neGeorge siyalapha ke eNorthern Cape sibona ke kuyachisa eSpringbok nge31 Kimberley ifuthumele nge28 Uppington yachisa nayo nge32 kuseFreystata ke lapha liphole khona endaweni zabo Welcome kuthi ke endaweni zangeBloemfontein lifuthumele nge25 ngemva kwamadina kokugcina iNorthwest ifuthumele Rustenburg nge25 nalapha ke endaweni yangeMahikeng akube kulalela okumnandi sibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido.